SAT example number 35 proves to be a little tricky for some people because it doesn't tell you exactly what type of number n is. It tells you what n isn't. N is not equal to 0, nor is n equal to 1. So what you have to do is really consider all different types of numbers that n could be. So we're trying to figure out if n is not 0 and if n is not 1, which of the following must be greater than n? Well, let's just pick a sample number. Let's say n is 2. If n is 2, 2n is greater, n squared is greater, and 2 minus n is not greater because 2 minus n is 0. So we eliminated choice 3. But let's consider this. What if n is equal to negative 2? Well, at this point, 2n would be negative 4, and that's not greater. Negative 4 is not greater than negative 2. N squared would be 4, and that is greater. So at this point, the only thing that's greater is 2. All right, so you may think that the answer is B, but however, as I said, you have to think about all the different possibilities that n could be. So you want to think about n as a possible fraction. Let's make n equal to 1/2. Now we've already eliminated choices 1 and 3, so we don't have to worry about those anymore. But let's go to choice 2. N squared would be 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/4. Now, is 1/4 greater than 1/2? No. So we eliminate that answer. Therefore, all answers are eliminated. Which of the following must be greater? None of them must be, because we can find counterexamples where they are not greater. So the answer is E, none. None of the choices. And that's the end.